Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add an overlay to your videos in CapCut PC. So to add in an overlay to your videos, you're going to select your video first. I'm just going to select one from the scenery one, and for the overlay, I'm just going to select this one. So just add it on top, and to blend it, you're just going to select the blend, go to blend mode, and you can select any blend modes that you want. Just select the one that you think looks the best with the video, and you can adjust the opacity here. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.